Hinge shims can be used behind both panel and frame hinges. They can be a simple and effective tool when frame adjustment is not an option. Loosen, do not remove the hinge screws. Slip the shim behind the hinge leaf and retighten the hinge screws. Shim placement can raise and lower a panel depending on the shim location. Placing a shim at the top hinge lowers the panel toward the center. Placing a shim at the bottom raises the panel toward the center. If multiple shims are needed, try to avoid placing multiple shims behind one hinge. Place them individually in multiple locations behind opposing panels for a consistent look.